Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use Discord for Beginners 2024. Discord is a powerful communication tool, and as a beginner, you can use it for chatting, gaming, studying, or joining communities. Here's a step-by-step guide for beginners in 2024. Open Discord and create an account or log in if you already have one. Next, familiarize yourself with the interface. Key Service Panel. Left sidebar shows the service communities you've joined. Channel List displays text and voice channels within a selected server. Main chat area or general chat displays conversations or content in the selected channel. User list, right sidebar, shows members of the current server or channel. Next, join or create a server. Click the plus icon on the left sidebar, choose join a server, and enter the invite link provided by the server admin if you have any of them. Just click on join server. Now, how about we create a server? Just click the plus icon, then choose create my own, click skip, name your server, and customize it as needed, then hit create. Next, use text and voice channels. Text channels. Click on a channel, for example, general, to chat. Type message at the bottom of the screen and press enter to send it. You can use the app to mention someone or search for emojis with. Voice channels. Click on the voice channel to join it. Use your microphone to talk or mute yourself with the mic icon at the bottom left. Click the screen share at the bottom to share your screen with others. Next, customize your profile. Click your profile icon in the bottom left corner, then click on the edit profile. Now click enable streamer mode, toggle it off, go to my account, click edit user profile to add the profile picture by going to change avatar. Now click escape. Set a custom status by clicking on your profile at the bottom left. Here, you can name it like busy or studying. Change to clear, auto and status, and once done, hit save. Next, add friends. Now click on Discord, then click the top left. Choose add friend and enter the Discord tag, for example, username, #1234, then click send friend request. Once they accepted it, you can chat directly or invite them to your servers. Next, use bots and integrations. Many servers have bots for tasks like music playback, reminders, or games. To add a bot, visit a bot website and use it on your server. Next, adjust notifications. Right-click a server icon and choose Notification Settings. Customize notifications for mentions, specific channels, or mute the server. And that's it. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.